For fajitas, you're going to take your sliced chicken, and then you're going to sprinkle on your fajita seasoning. I like to add a little bit of seasoned salt also. And then add your lime juice and mix this all together with your oil really well. Now, if you want to let this marinate, you can for a few hours. And then you're going to take your chicken and your vegetables and you're going to put them in the air fryer. All right, and just to make life easy, guys, I use, this is $1 for a bag of peppers and onions. Makes life so much easier, so I grab one of those to use for my fajitas and stews and that kind of thing. Fajitas, I put the chicken in first and cook it for 7 minutes, and then I add the vegetables afterwards. All right, halfway through, we're gonna turn these over. And then we're gonna add the vegetables. We're gonna cook it for 4 more minutes. Mike likes his vegetables on the al dente side, so I'm gonna be done at 3 minutes, but if you want them a little bit more cooked, you can go for 1 to 2 more minutes.